Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing, even though they changed the name to All True, the box that I got still says Causebox on it. I'm guessing because they haven't changed and they want to get rid of all the old boxes. But Causebox did change the company to All True. So should I put the thumbnail as Causebox or All True? I don't know, we'll have to see. But if you want to see what I got in this box, then keep on watching. Guys, hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. I was away for the 4th of July weekend, so your girl didn't film any videos for a couple of days. So I apologize, but I'm back in business. I'm gonna be filming probably like 3 videos today to play catch up. The boxes keep coming, so your girl gotta catch up. So I will be filming. I got like my Causebox here. Then I'm gonna do my my Goddess Provisions box, and then I want to do I have a Bath and Body Works haul that I want to film. I got some candles, more candles that I don't need because I have a whole under one of my bathroom, like the sinks is all candles. But I got more because you can never have too much, just like you can never have too much makeup. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. Super excited to film them. But we're going to do the Causebox today, or All True. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, as well as makeup hauls, mystery boxes. You name it, you got it on the channel. So if you love videos like that, then I will say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It'll be greatly appreciated. And do me a favor. One little favor I ask of you guys. If you love my videos and you love my content, just give me a little thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna do a sneak peek first. So these boxes always remind me like of my FabFitFun boxes, because the boxes like come kind of like in a big box like this. All True is a new name of replacing Causebox. I did screenshot like why they said they changed their name. So they said, I have it screenshot here. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys to see as well. But it says, we changed our name from Causebox to All True because we needed a name that better represented our mission to build a community that brings truth, kindness, and goodness to everything we do. So that's the reason why they changed it. This is $49.95 box. That's what I do. But I do the annual $49.99. $49.95 is the annual plan. But you get billed once a year, which is $190.80. So, I like just paying it all up front so I don't have to worry about a bill every single month. Like, I don't want to check like my banking statement and see like Causebox, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, like Goddess Provisions, like all my boxes just down. I'd rather just, if I could pay it off, if they have an option, just pay it. I want to just pay it so I don't see it. It says you save $20 a year if you do like the annual membership. It says you receive up to $250 every value. You're going to get 6 to 8 full-size exclusive, ethically made products each season. And you also, just like BoxyCharm and FabFitFun and Ipsy, you have like that 70% off sale. Like, you know, like BoxyCharm, you have your add-ons. Well, Causebox does that as well. All right, so that's just a little explaining about the box for anyone who's never heard of the box before, especially since it's called All True. Now you guys probably definitely were like, somebody clicked on it and didn't know. Now you know a little bit about the box. What I like about the box is Causebox. Originally, like they said, it was like for a cause. So like majority of the stuff in the box went to a charity. Everything is good in the box is good for the environment. So everything's like biodegradable, environmental friendly, which I love. Love, love, love. So what not better box to have something that everything's like environmental friendly, right? Yeah. So you'll see what I'm talking about when you see the inside of the box. But let's let Aisha stop blabbing, as always, and get into the box. Alrighty, so let me just scoot over a little bit and give you guys like a sneak peek. So this is what it looks like. So it's funny, it says Causebox, right? Then when you open it, it says All True on the inside. This is your little sneak peek. You can't really see what's, let me take this out. Alright, so I'll kind of give like a kind of little sneak peek. That's what it looks like. Alright, so let's dig in. Alright guys, so I took everything out of my box. I have it here on the table, but I just want to show you guys how cool is this box. Like the box is so beautiful. I mean, I'm not going to keep it because I get too many subscription boxes and I would be pretty much a hoarder if I kept all my boxes. But if there was a box to keep, I would definitely keep this because it's cute, but I'm not going to keep it because, like I said, I'm a girl that has too much of everything. Too much clothes, too much shoes, too much bags, too much makeup, too much candles, too much of everything. I'm a very girly girl, as I'm sure you guys can all tell. So also what I like about this box is you pretty much get to pick, like if you do annual, you could pick the majority of your box. Kind of like FabFitFun, like you pick the majority of your box too, which I like. There wasn't a lot of like makeup options, for this box, but I feel like FabFitFun and Causebox, oh, I keep calling it Causebox, All True box, they're more of a lifestyle box. So if you are looking for like makeup, then this probably won't be the box for you, neither FabFitFun. You'll get like 1 or 2 makeup items, but normally it's not, I'm just giving you a heads up, it's not like a makeup box. But because I have so many makeup subscription boxes, I figured, sometimes I'm overwhelmed with makeup, skincare, hair care, like all of that stuff. Sometimes I want a little bit of something to break it up. So I don't mind getting like a box or 2 of these here or there. So I don't have so much makeup in my house that I have to have a whole room dedicated to beauty and half a bathroom dedicated to all my skincare stuff and candles. But stay tuned for those videos coming up soon. So watch out for those videos. So let's open her up. All right, so this is cool. So it's kind of big, but it has like everything you could choose from. Here. Alrighty. So let's get it started. All right. So the first thing I see here is the one makeup option they had. So you know I had to choose it. It's Hawaiian Lip Balm Trio by the brand Hanley. I don't know if I said that right. So don't come for your girl. Don't come for her. We are not on this channel because we are spelling bee champions, but you know. So I got 3 scents. I got Island Mint, I got Tropical Citrus, and I got Unscented. So these are what they look like. Hold on. I don't know if I could get them all. Let me see. Hold on. So that's what they look like. All right. Excited to try the lip balms. Lip balms are great for summer. Can't be having chapped lips. Then I got, so I think I chose everything. I think I pretty much, except for this one thing here, which I'll show you in a second. But for the most part, I chose everything. The next thing I got is a Brightening Face Serum. It says revitalizing, smoothing, dark spot reducing, complexion toning, tissue repairing. And so this was in a box before, and they said that this did so well that they brought it back again. Because they said they weren't going to put doubles and repeats, but how their spin on things is oh, if something is so great and the people really want it, we'll bring it back. So this is a repeat, but they said, in fairness, they made it a choice. Like, they didn't put it in a box that you can't choose it. Like, one of the things that you don't get to pick, they said you get the option to pick it just because everyone loved it. I think I got this when they had Causebox, when it was the Causebox, and I think I chose this, and I think I gave it away. Or it's probably in my whole crate full of skincare stuff that I have to, like, go. I'm giving a whole bunch of stuff away. I have a giveaway going on, but I have, like, a whole crate of skincare. This is all freaking skincare in here. So I'm giving a lot of stuff away. So that serum is probably like in here somewhere. I have like all of this skincare stuff. Like, I just gotta get rid of everything. I need to purge. All of this stuff is going. It's all going. I'm gonna try this one since they said it's a cult favorite. I didn't know it was a cult favorite. Now I have to try it because it's a cult favorite. So this is what she looks like up close. Just a serum, nothing fancy. But we'll try her out. We'll try her out. We'll see. I'll see if it really brightens. Alrighty, so that's my second thing I got. And then, like I said, this is a lifestyle box. So they had like a jewelry item. So sometimes their costume jewelry is kind of cute. It comes in a little baggie. It says Ethica on it. And let's see what I chose. They make you choose so far in advance when it's time to get it. I never remember what I got. So let me surprise myself. Oh, I think this was like a little, like a bracelet. Yeah, this was a bracelet. Hold on. It's kind of small. I hope it fits my wrist, but this is what she looks like. Very cute, very cute. So I got a new little bracelet here. She cute. This I thought was cute because, like, when I take my lunch breaks, at work, you can use this for soup. Like, how cool is this? Yes! I mean, I really don't really make soup. But in the wintertime, I love chicken noodle soup. So I figured I could put my stuff in here. Because these boxes, too, they're things that you normally would not... Like, I normally would not just buy this for myself, but, like, I mean, if it's a choice and I get to pick these things, of course, like, why not? So, let's open it up. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay, so that's what the inside looks like. It's like a metal tin. Alrighty. And let's see what it says. This was inside the thing. To-go bowl. So it says 18-ounce vacuum insulated large bowl. Opening. It says 7 hours hot, 20 hours cold. It's leak proof, vacuum insulated. It's dishwasher safe. It says because fresh food is the best food, eco-friendly and perfect on-the-go meals and snacks. So it says you can put parfait, oatmeal, soup, fruit, anything. I love yogurt. Like, I'll do like the Greek yogurt. I'll buy Greek yogurt. I buy the granola. I put a little honey on top. I'll put some strawberries. I love like doing that whole deal in the mornings, like my Greek yogurt. So this could be kind of cute. I could be in my office while I'm checking numbers and all that other fun stuff. Eating my yogurt. You know, multitask. You gotta multitask because there ain't enough time in the day. So, I love this. Love, 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 love this. Alrighty. The next thing I got is a Cosmodex Skin Thirst Moisturizing Hyaluronic Acid Cream. I probably will give this away because my skin is more oily combination, and this says moisturizing hyaluronic acid cream. I don't want, it says skin thirst on it. Like, my skin is definitely not dry at all. So somebody, one of my lucky subscribers will get this in one of my giveaways. And then I got this. I don't remember what this was because, oh, it's a beach towel. Where was this when I was away for 4th of July? Indigo round beach towel. Actually, this box, I got this before I even left, but I didn't open it because I wanted to film it. So it says this towel was made in Turkey, so that's kind of cool. This is what the towel looks like. Let me see. It's not a big towel. Oh, actually, I lied. It is really big. I didn't know it was another hole. Ooh, this is big. I can't put it on the whole screen. Let me cover my face real quick to show you guys the towel. She cute. I mean, it's not big, but it's definitely different. It's cute, though. It's cute. These are one of those towels, if your towels end up missing, like, you'll be like, that's my towel, because it's very rare you'll see somebody with this towel. This towel is beautiful. Beautiful made. Cotton recycled polyester. So you see what I'm saying about everything being like environmental friendly. Everything is sustainable. This is cotton recycled. I didn't even know they could recycle cotton recycled polyester. That's cool. All right, but this is what I got. I love, 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 love this towel. Definitely will use it. Yeah, and that was everything I got in my box. I feel like the box is like nothing like where I'm like, oh my gosh, but it's cool things. Like I said, it's cool things I normally wouldn't have bought for myself. So I'm happy for the box. I can't wait. I'm most excited to try this. And like in my FabFitFun and my Causebox, I got like those like reusable forks, reusable spoons, like all of those cool things. So look, I'm so savvy. Like when my associates come in my office and they're like, oh, you got like the metal straws and everything. I'm like, yeah, I got so-and-so box and it was in my box. And they're like, Aisha, like you gotta stop with all of your stuff that you get. But it's so cool. These things are so cool and different. And like I said, I wouldn't buy these things normally on my own. But yeah, that's really about it, guys. What you guys think about my box? Does any of you guys subscribe to All True? Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video for my Goddess Provisions box. This is like one of my favorite boxes now. I love, 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 love this box. If you guys want to know what this box is about, stay tuned for my next video. And that's really about it. Just make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. You know the drill. Alrighty, see you guys all in my next video.